Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up responsive pricing tables using Elementor Pro step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure that Elementor Pro is installed and activated. Navigate to the page where you'd like to create your responsive pricing table. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the editor. Once the Elementor editor loads, locate the section icon in the panel. Drag the section icon to the canvas to create a new section. Select the structure that suits your pricing table layout. After creating the section, search for the pricing table widget in the Elementor panel. Drag the pricing table widget into your newly created section. Begin editing the first pricing table by clicking on the pricing table placeholder. In the Content tab, enter the title of your pricing plan. Adjust the price and set the currency according to your offering. Fill in the description or features included in the pricing plan. Add a button label and link it to the relevant page or payment processor. For additional pricing tables, duplicate your current one as needed. To do this, click the duplicate icon next to your existing pricing table. Edit the new pricing table's details by updating the title, price, and features. Switch to the Style tab to customize the appearance of your pricing table. Adjust the colors, fonts, and spacing to match your website's branding. Experiment with hover effects to make your pricing tables more interactive. Ensure your pricing tables are responsive by switching to the mobile view. Adjust each element's size and spacing for optimal display on mobile devices. Review your settings under the Advanced tab for additional options. This includes margins, padding, and visibility conditions. Once satisfied with your pricing tables, click the green Publish button. Preview your changes to ensure everything displays correctly. Make any final adjustments if necessary, and then save your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.